So hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMA Sanket Pandit. So today it's a proud moment for me and for all because we have the superstar of our profession who has set a record in the campus by grabbing a thumping package of 22 lakhs. So I heartily welcome you Shashidhar Bhai on our channel. How are you?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for asking me to join this video. I'm good, sir. I'm doing good.
Okay. How
are you, sir? I hope you're doing good.
Yes, I am also good, Shashidhar Bhai. Thank you for sparing out your time. So everybody in India, everybody in the country is excited to meet you, to ask questions to you, and everybody is curious. And I am very sure that after this interview, everybody will get a lot of insights on how you achieved this pinnacle of success. What were the things you implemented in your life? What was the approach that you followed? So shall I start the interview, Shashidhar Bhai?
Yes, sir. You can go ahead.
Yes. So first question is, please tell us little about your background, from which city you belong and how did you came to CMA profession? Who told you about this course?
I'm from Tenali district. It is in Guntur, in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
So I've done my studies from apart from Hyderabad and apart from Mumbai.
Okay. And so, how did you came about CMA? How did you come to know about CMA course?
I'm actually from the science background. I was into science till my 12th standard. So later after my 12th, I moved to commerce. I've started with my CA and also CMA later.
Okay. So you are both CA and CMA?
No, sir. I'm due with my CA final now.
Okay, fine. My next question to you is whether you have got All India rank All India rank, or you have given both the groups of inter or final at one go, or you have given one group of inter and final?
Yes, sir. I'm not a rank holder.
Okay.
But yes, I have given my both the groups together for CMA final. In CMA inter, I have given separate groups separately, like group 1 and group 2 separately. And later in CMA final, I gave both the groups together.
Okay. And can you tell us the score of your CMA final and CMA inter? Means what was the score or what were your favorite subjects?
Yes, sir. My score in CMA inter was around 481 for both the groups.
Okay.
And in CMA final, I got in group 3 223 and in group 4 224.
Okay.
So it was around 445. The total was around 445.
Okay, fine. My next question to you is, many students ask that is articleship important? What was your duration? From which place or which office you did your articleship? Can you throw a little light on that?
Yes, sir. I've done my articleship for part from Hyderabad and part from Mumbai. So yes, sir, articleship is definitely important. Like till the time a student joins into articleship, he's only into classes and studies. So after joining into articleship, he'll get the practical knowledge. So practical knowledge is very important now. Okay. So it's like it's like learning swimming by seeing YouTube lectures. Only once we get into the swimming pool, we actually get to know what swimming is.
Okay.
So the practical knowledge is very important.
Very important. And do you think that the practical exposure helped you to crack the interview?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Because once we have a practical experience, we will tend to speak with many of the clients actually. Okay. So no, that actually helps in developing our communication skills, and it helps a lot.
Okay.
So maybe I can consider it also as a reason for me to get into the interview.
Okay. So one question is, everybody was asking that when did you qualify the exam, and after you qualified the exam, were you worried that whether I will get a job, what I will do? So were you worried or anxious a little?
No, sir. Frankly, I was a little confident that I may get anywhere. The reason is that I was working with a PSU earlier. Okay. So I left my PSU before the CMA final results were out.
Okay.
So I was actually waiting for the results. So I was waiting for the results to join in another company. In the meantime, the campus placements were in, and I was into Accenture.
Okay. So you were pretty confident. Yes.
Yes, I was fine. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था सर. I was fine. In one or another company, I'll get into it.
हो जाएगा. Yes. That is the confidence everybody needs in themselves to get selected in companies. One more thing I want to ask you, Shashidhar Bhai. So let's talk about a little campus placement. That how many companies shortlisted you and how many interviews you attended?
Yes, sir. As Accenture was on the first day, it was on 3rd of May, I guess.
Okay.
So on the first day, I was shortlisted only by Accenture, and the second
Okay.
company was Kalpataru.
Okay.
So I didn't give my consent for Kalpataru because I just wanted to go for Accenture.
Okay.
So actually, I've applied from Mumbai, sir. I've applied
Okay.
from Mumbai.
Okay.
So in
Okay.
Mumbai, I was shortlisted with Accenture Advanced Technologies.
Okay. Okay.
So,
So
but the role which I am into now is Accenture Technology. It's from Kolkata, actually.
okay. 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 Fine. So you were shortlisted by two companies, but you gave your consent in one company only, and that company selected you also.
Yes, sir.
That's great. That's great. So I would like to ask you, what are the things the interviewer is seeking in young qualified CMA? What are the things they are expecting in a new qualified CMA?
Sir, regarding the new qualified CMA and the normal accounting, costing, etc., that will be there for sure. And
Okay.
apart from that, the interviewer may be looking for the confidence, the communication skills, etc. Also,
Okay. Okay.
even if the interviewer would prefer if the candidate would have any other additional degree also,
Additional
because
degree.
after the campus placements, many people will be attending this.
Yes.
So the
Yes.
interview will be shortlisting based on additional degrees or additional communication skills, like confidence of the candidate. He tests everything in the interview.
Okay.
So
Okay.
all the skills would also be an added advantage for us.
Okay. 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 And can you tell us a little about the interview process in which the company you got selected? How many rounds were there? Can you elaborate a little on that?
Yes, sir, definitely. Like as I told, I was in first selected with Accenture Advanced Technologies. It's into SAP implementation.
Okay.
The profile was into SAP. So
Okay.
it's in the Accenture Advanced Technology was at Mumbai. I
Okay.
applied from Mumbai itself.
Okay.
There were two rounds in that. The first one was technical round, and the second was the HR round.
Okay. Okay.
So I've done with both the rounds, and after speaking the HR round, I was discussing about the package.
Okay.
So later the HR has told me that we'll give you some more time.
Okay.
Take your time and update us evening whether you want to join or not.
Okay.
So by evening, I have received a mail from them stating that we have another profile for you because your qualification experience has matched another profile. So we
Okay.
are forwarding you to the other location. So
Okay.
I do not have any other details regarding that later.
Okay.
So I got a call from the Accenture Technology at Kolkata later.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then we had 2 technical rounds and 1 HR round.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine.
So totally I had 5 total rounds in this, 3 technical and 2 HR rounds in that.
Okay. 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 And can you give a rough idea about what a few questions are asked in the interview and how did you tackle them?
Yes, sir. The technical rounds were most of the questions was from the previous experience. Like if for the experienced candidates, most of the questions are from previous experience only. Like
Okay.
the interviewer generally pick few of the questions from my CV and experience, and he started
Okay.
asking in depth from the same points.
Okay. Okay. And if you are not experienced, then they might ask from the studies which we did in the
From
final
the studies,
project.
sir. Yes.
Okay. So you
Yes,
were
sir.
not
But
asked.
no, but
Yes. Yes. Please.
yes, yeah. For the candidates who are not experienced, like
Yes.
the interviewer would be testing their normal skills, like into GST or indirect tax would be there for sure.
Okay. Okay.
The taxation part, the amendments will be there for sure.
Okay. Okay.
And
Fine.
the rest of the questions may be depending on the actual profile of the work.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Next question is, I would like to ask you one thing or the X factor which was there in you, which helped you to get success in the interview. What was that one thing, if you could tell?
So that one thing I cannot share regarding that. So the interviewer has like my profile and my experience maybe.
Maybe he has also liked your smile. It is very nice.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So can you tell us the experience which you had, because earlier offline interviews were conducted and now this was the first time I guess online interview were conducted. So how was the experience? Was it easy or was it challenging?
Sir, I prefer the online experience. Sir. The reason is that because I've applied from Mumbai from the
Okay.
Accenture Advanced Technologies, because it is online interview. I had a chance from moving from Mumbai to Kolkata region. If it was
Okay.
offline, I wouldn't get this chance.
Yes, yes, yes. So online
So
was yes, yes, please.
online was good, sir. Online was good.
Online was
It
good.
was convenient also. It was good.
Okay, okay. So you prefer online over offline as far as interviews are concerned?
Yes, sir. Because
Yes,
the opportunities are more.
yes, yes,
Like
exactly.
for me, I moved from Mumbai location to Kolkata location.
Okay, okay, fine.
If it was offline, I don't think it would be possible.
It wouldn't be possible. Yes, exactly. And next question I would like to ask for all the CMA from all the CMA students, that what are the 2-3 tips you want to share with the CMA students who are pursuing this course?
Like tips, like many people are asking the same questions on LinkedIn also, sir.
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
along with the course, they can look into the other aspects, like they can prefer the SAP course FICO.
Yes.
It actually adds a lot of advantage for this. Even the institute has started this course actually.
Okay.
So the SAP FICO, more than the end user, I suggest to go for the consultant level. So it actually involves the system configuration, the configuration of SAP. So this is more useful actually for the students.
Yes, yes, yes. So apart from studying, they should add on some additional, or they should develop their additional skills by doing.
Yeah, apart from studies, they can try to improve their communication skills, their knowledge.
Okay. Okay.
Like the general knowledge, like business standard. They can get it in newspapers of Economic Times, Business Standard, etc.
Okay.
So they can read the complete industry knowledge.
Yes, yes, yes. That is very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The entire industry knowledge will be there.
Very important. Yes. So can you describe one word for your CMA journey? If we talk from foundation till final, how was it? In one word, if you could tell your journey.
In one word, CMA has brought a success for me, sir, in my life.
Oh, that's a big one.
I was struggling all these days, and after my results were out, I'm really very happy for this CMA.
Good. Yes. Okay. So CMA has changed your life is the quote.
Yes, sir. I'm in front of everyone today just because of CMA.
Okay. Fine. That is a big thing, and I would tell every CMA student that yes, it can change your life also if you possess enough skills.
Yes,
if
sir.
You study hard. Yes, CMA has that X factor in the market, and yes, after qualifying CMA, you can reach to greater heights. And Shashidhar is the live rock star and example in front of us. So
yes, sir. All the days before qualification, days after qualification, totally different.
Yes, definitely. One funny question I would like to ask, and I would like to end this interview, that what is the first thing you are going to buy after your first salary is credited in your account?
Like with my previous salary, but for the first time, I went to Tirupati with my family. So right now, traveling is not advisable.
Yes.
For safety concerns, maybe I'm planning to get some ornaments for my mother.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So any other thing or any other message you want to give all the questions which were there in the minds of the student? I tried to compile and ask you, but if any message or few things you want to say, you can surely say.
Yes, sir. Like I've received many requests from LinkedIn actually. Few of the candidates were asking me whether to go for experience or to continue with the CMA final.
Okay.
Because actually people are thinking like such recruitment only happens if for the experienced candidates. It's not like that, sir. Even every CMA final fresher qualified is also eligible for these things.
Okay.
Openings. And even the Accenture, which the current opening was for, they were looking for people with four attempts, maximum 4 attempts.
Okay.
So clearing on the first attempt is the best go, and it's fine if the candidate is not able to clear on the first attempt, it's also fine. Okay.
So there are chances. Yes, there are chances if they get 1 attempt or 2 attempt down. Also, there are chances of getting selected.
Yes, sir. Clearing on the first attempt is advisable, but if it is fine, it depends on everyone's caliber. So if they want to clear, if they can clear in multiple attempts, is also fine. Like, for the same position, Accenture has recruited for maximum of 4 attempts.
Okay. Yes, that's great. And in fact, that will motivate the students because all are not able to clear in one go. Even I was not able to clear in one go. So एक या दो attempt लग गया तो भी इतना चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. There are chances.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Yes, sir. First attempt कोई mandatory चीज नहीं. Even multiple attempts भी कोई problem नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता है. बिल्कुल.
And many candidates are still many candidates who are qualified in this attempt, they're still not shortlisted, not selected in the campus placements. So many people can also go for off campus.
Off campus, yes, off campus.
Because on campus में क्या होता है, company actually chooses a candidate.
Yes.
But off campus में candidate can choose the company.
Yes, that's a big thing. Yes.
So they can start searching off campus also.
Off campus also, yes. And which was your favorite subject, Shashidhar bhai, in final?
Sir, I like most the SFM, sir. Financial
SFM.
management and costing. Yes, sir. Financial
Okay.
management and costing.
Okay, fine. And how is your experience now? All set in the company?
Yes, sir. All set. We have joined in the last week only.
Okay.
So the HR
Yes, sir.
formalities have just completed.
Yes. Okay. So thank you so much, Shashidhar bhai, for coming up on our channel. It is indeed an inspiration for all of us, and you gave a valuable insight how to be successful in the journey. I thank you from bottom of my heart for sparing out your valuable time
Thank you
and
very
for
much, sir.
being with us. And I wish you all the best for
Thank
your
you very much,
future
sir.
journey. Yes, thank you so
Thank
much,
you very much.
Shashidhar bhai. Thank you.